Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike. I'm making a video today on my eBay store. That's right. T-Mike's got an eBay store. One of the most frequently asked questions I get on my YouTube channel and my Facebook page is where to find parts for the motors. And I always respond that eBay is the best place. Well, I'm not sure that my followers on YouTube and Facebook realize that I have an eBay store. So that's what this video is going to be about. It's going to be about my eBay store. It's going to be what parts I have in my eBay store. And I'm going to add in a segment on how to find part numbers for your motors so that you can get on my store and find them. So if everybody's ready, here we go. So you can find my store on eBay by the username Simtech Inc. or simply get on Google and search for T-Mike's Vintage Outboard Parts eBay store. And it should bring you directly to my store. Once you've arrived in my eBay store, you can see that I have 100% positive feedback with over 10,600 feedbacks. And my mission statement says that we sell antique outboard motor parts. I'm an honest eBay seller with over 10,000 positive feedbacks and proud of my reputation for the best customer service on eBay. Here's another page that shows my profile. It shows that I have a 5-star rating in all the categories: item as described, communication, shipping time and shipping charges, and 524 positive feedbacks with 0 neutral and 0 negatives. Here's a few items I have listed. Here's a 7.5 carburetor assembly. You can notice my 100% positive feedback and the fact that I offer free expedited shipping on all my items. Here's another item that I have up in my store. It is a magneto armature complete with the coils, the points, the wires, and with also free shipping. And here's another item, a drive shaft with the free shipping and 100% feedback. So I recommend marineengine.com website for finding your part numbers. Simply Google in www.marineengine.com. It'll bring you right to the site, and we'll go through how to navigate the site now to find your part numbers. Simply search for your motor by year, horsepower, and model number, and it should bring you directly to a page with a diagram of all the components for your motor. Once you've reached that page, just drill down to the area of the part you're looking for. Here is the carburetor assembly, completely drawn out with index numbers placed next to the part number. That will give you the part number by scrolling down the page to find the listing of parts. And here is the part number listing. You can see the example of the float valve assembly is part number 0396522. Now, once you've acquired the part number, it's a simple matter of going back to T-Mike's Vintage Outboard eBay store and searching my store for that part number. You will find the part number will be the best price on eBay from a top-rated seller. All right, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. So let's summarize. The best place to find your parts for your 1950s, 60s, and 70s Johnson and Evinrude vintage outboards is on T Mike's Vintage Outboard Parts Store on eBay. All right, so there's where you can find the parts, and you can find the part numbers by going to marineengine.com and then going back to my eBay store to get the parts. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Here at T Mike's, we're doing it one motor at a time. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Here at T Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.